everyone, I'm Kanda here again. Thank you very much for visiting my YouTube account this time too. Today also let's learn something new about the JiKyoJutsu. I'm supposed to continue from movement 29. Right, I'm happy to show you number 29 because this is a very special movement and it's really good for many kinds of condition and fatigue. So and it's really good, and as you know that you have to from 1 and 2 3 4 numbering is it's really important, but 29 is a special. You can do only 29 anytime, whenever you want. And I told you that number 16 also you can do that. Number 16, with the standing position, this movement. I hope you remember that. All right. Okay. And so 16 and this time is 29. So 29 is also it's useful. You can do that anytime, right? But movement itself, it's a little bit hard, especially for specific people and with their knee problems or hip problem or lower back problem. So if you have those problems, it might be a little bit hard. So please don't do overwork. It's really good movement, but please don't do overwork. Right. Okay. I'll show you first. Okay. So now, so sitting like this, and my buttocks should be between my legs. So now my buttocks are on the floor. Okay, then lie down like this. Okay. Then, well, if you can, I know many people can't do that, but I'll show you step by step, but proper movement I want to show you first, okay? Then, so after lying down, and interlock your fingers, then keep both of your arms straight, and you can hold your face with both upper arms. Then tap the floor with both knees, like this. Right? Okay. So, and 50 times. It's pretty long. 50 times, not 20 or 30 or something. But of course, as I said, please don't do overwork. I want to show you from this angle. I hope you can see it properly. So, sit on the floor, okay? Your buttocks should be on the floor. All right. Then both of your legs beside of your buttocks like this, okay? Then lie down, interlock your fingers, hold your face with your upper arms, then tap the floor with both arms. Right. Okay. And if you can, please close your legs here. Okay. if you can, please don't make a space between your legs. Right. Okay. Then, if you cannot lie down, on the floor, this one is fine. Okay. This one is fine. Okay. If it's very hard to close your legs, this one also okay. All right. If it's hard for you to tap the floor, both of your knees at the same time, this one is also okay. All right. Okay. Even doing this, if it's hard, why don't you do, one side by one side? That's fine too. Okay, that's much easier. So in that case, so this time maybe 20 times or 30 times, and the other side 20 times or 30 times. So in this case also, please close your legs. Then, and if possible, bend back your foot. And so, but some people can do only like this. Well, that's fine too. So I told you. So if you can do that, please don't do overwork, okay? So it's dangerous. Okay, please. So, but if possible, I say, if possible, bend back with your foot and with your buttock, then tap the floor. Okay? And close your legs, the floor. If you can bend both of your knees at the same time, I'm telling you again, so you can do like this. Okay? If it's difficult, you can tap one side by one side. Okay? If it's hard for you to close the legs, okay, open your legs, then one side by one side, or both sides at the same time. Okay? And then, so just, keep doing, okay? Keep doing frequently, hopefully, every day, okay? Then one day, so if you're now, your current position might be like this, okay? One day you can tap, both sides at the same time, and later on, maybe you can close your leg like this, right? And after that, you can keep your, upper body much lower like this. Then one day you can lie down. All right. Okay. So, so there is two, important rules that I say. Please don't do overwork. Okay. So ask your body and ask your ability of your body, right? That please don't do overwork. And please try to do this, number 29. Please don't give up. Little by little, step by step, you can do that, right? So frequency is pretty important, not for only 29, okay? For, in general, I can say that about it for JiKyoJutsu. Okay, right. So if even, this movement, even this, if it's hard for you, so in that case, you can just do, you know, number 16 with a standing position, right? Okay, I hope you remember that. That's fine too. Right. Okay. This is good for many things. But mainly for your digesting, and that's really good. And if you suffer with insomnia, or you know, if it's a little bit hard for you to sleep down easily, so you can do this number 29 with your style, maybe 50 times or more than that. Then I think you can have a better sleep. Okay, and what else I should tell? I think that's about it. Right. Okay, so one more time, let me say again, 29 is really good. It's a really special movement. So you can do that anytime, all right? Whenever you want, you can do that. But for some cases, for some people, at the same time, it's a little bit dangerous. So if you have any, you know, aching or fatigue, or so in that case, so please ask your body, and please don't do overwork with the 29, okay? But you can do that. You can do that, but please don't do overwork. Okay, right. Okay, so this time I think that's all. All right. Okay, so so now 29, third. So next video I'll show you 30. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video this time. Okay, thank you. See you.